I'm going to demo one of my favorite ways to use Smart Notebook. This is just a way that I can kind of pace myself whenever I'm doing any kind of presentation. So you can see here, I've got essential question on my board. Whenever I click on this box, my question pops up. I would discuss this with my audience, and then we would discuss the outcomes of our training. Just like this. As we're ready to discuss them, I just click on this darker purple box and then we go. So this looks kind of fancy, like there's lots of bells and whistles, but it is very, very simple to create, and I'm going to just show you here how to do that. I have cloned the page. You can see all I've done is type out some questions here. All right, now what I need to do is go to my Shapes tools, and I am going to put a rectangle around the very top. Just need to make sure it's as long as my longest sentence is. Okay? Now, before I go too much farther, I need to change the color of my text. So I'm going to highlight that, go over here to the properties, line style, and I'm going to choose the lighter purple. I'll move that back up now. And now for my rectangle that I drew, I am going to make that a darker purple. I need to make sure that I fill it with that dark purple. Okay, now you see what it's done is actually the rectangle that I drew is covering up some of my text. So I just need to click on my properties tools, go to order, and hit send to back. Okay, so now you can see it again. Still nothing big yet. What I'm going to do next is change the animation on that rectangle. I'm going to go to Object Animation. Where it says None, I'm going to go to Flip Around Axis, but instead of the middle vertical, I'm going to go to Bottom Edge. So now you see how it flipped down on top of the other question that I have. And one last little thing. I'm going to change the background of my Smart Notebook file so it is the same color as this text. Two ways I can do it right now. I've just clicked on my background and I would come over here and click on that color. The other way would have been to go to Format and Background Color. Okay, now you notice whenever I did that, that all of those questions disappeared. Well, they didn't disappear. They're just hidden now because the text is the same color as the background. So now whenever I click on my box, it is going to drop down and highlight each of the items that I wanted it to highlight, just like that. So now it's a way that I can pace myself in my presentation, and like I said, bells and whistles are always good to engage an audience, and this is a very simple way to do it.